this is a lesson on doing retracements between highs and lows, and again you need to have a starting point. So say I wanted to find the halfway point between the high here and the major low down here. Well, you pick a starting point, which would be the here, and then you'll see we can now use the retracement option, which is this one here with the half on the tool button, or on the cool bar is where it says retrace here. Again, there are three ways of actually highlighting it. One is to click the toolbar where it says half and it's highlighted. Another way is just to click where it says retrace on the cool bar, and another way is to go modify chart, Gann analysis, level retracements, which does the same thing. And in there at the moment it says 0.5, which actually means halfway. So to do that, you click the button or press return in the retracement that you want to do. If I click the button, you'll see it changes to a pin, and what I've got to do is tell it where I want the bottom of the retracement to be. When I let go of the mouse, when I stop moving the mouse for a second, you'll notice it times out to the price that's directly below or above it, and the blue line you can see, which says 0.5 retrace, that's halfway between where the starting point is and where the pin is. So again, as I move it around and stop moving it, that'll move around, and it won't stop until you actually move it to the low that you want to set it to. So you move the pin to the low, which is actually there, and if that's where you're happy with, you then left click to accept that. It will, and now the pin's disappeared and it doesn't move around with you, and that's your halfway retracement between the high and the low. If I want to take it off, I can just do the same retracement again, or if I right click where it says, where it's labelled, I can erase it, which I won't do now. I can also cut the line. It changes to a pair of scissors, and I can cut the line anywhere on that axis. I can also change the strength of it. I can make it a strong line, or I can make it a weak line, or I can make it a normal line. Now you might want to do, say, an Elliott retracement, which the classic Elliott retracement is 0.618, and again you need a starting point. We've already got one. Once I put the number in, you click the button or press return in this box, and you'll get the pin again, and you go to where you want to pin it to, which will say the same low, and that is a 0.618 retracement between the high and the low. That's using retracements.